British Airways ramps up preparation for an increase in business travel. IATA calls for a global standard digital health certificate. Hans Airways makes plans to launch India route this year. And some famous names increase their food offerings. It's Friday, the 3rd of September. British Airways continues to ramp up its work in preparation for the return of international business travel. The airline has reopened its first-class lounge, the Concorde rooms, at both London's Heathrow and New York's JFK airports. British Airways Holidays has also extended its double points offer to March next year. And the airline has started talks with unions at Gatwick as it prepares to roll out its new short-haul venture. The International Air Transport Association, IATA, has called on the European Union Digital COVID Certificate to become the global standard. IATA's Travel Pass is a mobile app that enables travellers to store and manage their verified certifications for COVID-19 tests or vaccines. IATA claims it is more secure and efficient than current paper processes used to manage health requirements. Dozens of the world's leading airlines have adopted or are testing IATA's Travel Pass. Hans Airways is the latest start-up low-cost carrier to announce plans to establish routes out of the UK. The Sussex-based airline unveiled a board team with more than 130 years of airline industry experience earlier this summer. And now Hans Airways has kicked off its recruitment process for flight crews. The airline intends to gain its UK Air Operator's Licence and to launch long-haul services to India before the end of 2021. And finally, food is on the menu this week with several catering announcements of interest to UK-based business travellers. Lufthansa has launched its Taste of Home menu on business class flights, drawing its influence from cities such as Munich, Frankfurt, Hamburg, Berlin, Düsseldorf and Leipzig. Fellow Lufthansa Group airline Swiss has this week introduced a new casual dining option for business class passengers on long haul, enabling a dine when you want service. And hospitality industry veteran Gordon Ramsay, fresh from opening the Gordon Ramsay Academy in global travel management's hometown of Woking, has announced plans to open a second restaurant in London's Savoy Hotel. That's all for business travel news this week. Be sure to follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn, and keep up to date on all aspects of business travel. Check out gtm.uk.com.